Are you looking for the best portable car jump starters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable car jump starters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 for most car owners. This portable jump starter from NOCO will be exactly what they need to get their dead battery going again. Compact, yet powerful. This jump starter is rated at 1000 amps and offers up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. You can safely use this jump starter on vehicles with gasoline engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. Yet it's only 6.57 x 3.15 x 7.72 inches and weighs under 3 pounds. Safety is extremely important when it comes to jump starting your vehicle, and this device has you covered. It features a mistake-proof design with spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, so things won't go awry even if you accidentally hook it up incorrectly to your battery. In addition, you can use this jump starter on a daily basis as a portable battery bank, charging your USB devices with ease. An integrated 100 lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes may not see frequent use, but it's nice to have in the case of an emergency, as our editors pick. Durability is another important factor to take into account. This charger checks all the right boxes in that department as well. It's safe to use in any climate, thanks to high-discharge lithium technology, while the rugged, water-resistant enclosure is rated at IP65. On the outside is a rubberized over-molded casing that helps prevent scratching or marring of surfaces. If you need more power, NOCO offers 12 different battery jump starters all the way up to a huge 6250 amp Boost Max GB500 unit designed to start industrial engines. Up next in the 4th place is the GOOLOO jump starter. While the name GOOLOO may sound like something you'd hear a baby say, this brand makes some excellent portable jump starters that pack a serious punch. Perhaps the most popular in the entire lineup is the GOOLOO GP37 Plus. Affordable, powerful, and impressively compact, the GP37 Plus doles out 1200 peak current amps, which allows it to jumpstart most 12V vehicles with up to a 7.0 liters gas or 5.5 liters diesel engine. On top of that, it works as a 12V divided by 10A DC power source, perfect for powering tire inflators, car coolers, and a whole lot more. Of course, you can also use the GOOLOO GP37 Plus to power up your electronic devices using its quick-charging USB 3.0 output port. And in an emergency, you can take advantage of its built-in LED flashlight. The flashlight has 3 settings: normal, strobe, and sauce, small enough to fit easily in any glove box. The GOOLOO GP37 Plus will be there when you need it. It charges up in just 5 hours and can hold a charge for 3 months. This package comes with the GP37 Plus portable jump starter, smart jumper clamps, wall charger, car charger, USB to Type-C quick charge cable, carrying case, and user manual. The 3rd product on our list is the HULKMAN Alpha 85 jump starter. If you plan on using your portable jump starter as a battery charger for your mobile devices, you'll want a device that recharges quickly. This way, it's always ready to jumpstart your vehicle as well as keeping your smartphone topped off. For this, we turn our attention to HULKMAN's Alpha 85 jump starter that features the company's patented 65-watt speed charge, which can fully charge the jump starter from 0% to 100% in under 1.5 hours. The company says just over 20% of power is enough to start your car if necessary. The starter itself offers 2000 peak cranking amps, allowing it to jumpstart vehicles with up to an 8.5-liter gasoline engine or a 6.0-liter diesel engine. HULKMAN claims this option can jumpstart 60 times on a single charge. Internally, it's a 20,000 mAh battery bank, and you get the added bonus of a 12-volt port to power any of your DC devices, like a portable tire inflator. There's also a built-in flashlight with 3 modes and a 3.3 inches screen that displays status information. All of this is housed in a rugged enclosure that boasts IP65 resistance, which makes it resistant to rain, dust, and drops. HULKMAN also includes a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support. Second on our list is the Michelin Power Source XR1 Portable Jump Starter. You've likely heard of the Michelin brand before. If you've ever shopped for new tires for your car, the company also offers a portable jump starter. Boasting 1000 peak amps and 300 cranking amps, it's a versatile option. With a built-in power inverter to provide you AC power when you're on the go, the power inverter has a 200-watt rating and 400-watt surge capability, allowing you to power devices such as a DVD player, small blender, fan, and more, given that Michelin specializes in manufacturing tires. It's also little surprise this portable jump starter has a built-in tire inflator. It's a 260 psi compressor that will do a good enough job inflating your tires in an emergency, and if you're planning to go camping. Not only does the power inverter come in handy, but this option can also serve as a digital Bluetooth radio. Stream your favorite music or audio from your phone or music player straight to speakers on the jump starter. Or you can connect your device through the auxiliary input port on the outside. The case is constructed from resilient, high-impact plastic that is designed for safety and maximum durability. It is then wrapped in a rubber tire tread armor for additional protection against bumps and drops. The top features a non-slip grip handle so you can easily transport this to and from your vehicle. Finally, the top product on our list is the NEXPOW W1500A battery starter. This recommendation packs plenty of modern features, including USB Type-C support and Quick Charge 3.0. Those features come in handy when you're using this device as a portable battery bank. But how is it when it comes to jump-starting car batteries? Well, it claims to offer 1,500 amps of peak power and a 21,800 mAh capacity, capable of starting vehicles with up to 6.5-liter gasoline engines and 4.0-liter diesel engines. And with that large a capacity, it is capable of 30 jump starts on a single charge. You could just about fit this small battery jump starter in your pocket. At 9x 3.4x 1.2 inches and under 3 pounds, a pair of standard USB ports join the USB Type-C port, allowing you to top off all your devices no matter the connection you require. Not surprisingly, there's also a built-in LED flashlight with a blinking SOS mode for emergencies. Safety features on this device include spark-proof protection, reverse polarity protection, overcurrent protection, high temperature protection, and overload protection. That means not having to worry about accidentally hooking up the cables incorrectly, since the device will warn you if that happens. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.